4 important things that you should do on your HMI when you are designing your setting page. Okay, the first one is calibrate. I use a button, and as you can see, let me ungroup it. It's a graphic, and I have 2 pictures for that. Calibrate off and calibrate on. When you press and go to event and set Calibrate Touchscreen. Another one is for cleaning. It's so important when your HMI get dirty. If someone start to cleaning that, maybe something happened, suddenly click on something. But when you put this function here, before to do that, just click on cleaning, and it gives him a period of time to clean the HMI. It shows a white screen, and you can clean, and then when it finish, it's come back to normal operation. Another one is log off. It's so important when you log in, there is an option to log off. And the last one that is so important, and you must put a security for that. For example, on the security, I just say administration can do that, is stop runtime. A stop runtime. So a stop runtime and log off and cleaning. So let's show you how does it work. Here it's a WinCC runtime. So I don't have calibrate, it doesn't work. I don't have clean because it's runtime. If I want to show you the log off, it would be like this. For example, this is admin. I just log in. Okay, so here is admin, and when I click on log off, it goes back, and the last time is exit runtime. It said you must be admin. Okay, I put my password and click on it. It's closed. Have a good time and take care.